So while I'm continuing to wait my 30 days to unlock the bootloader of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, I wanted to show you another one of the special boot modes that has been built into the Android operating system and that Xiaomi has included in this device. So yesterday I showed you how to boot up into fast boot mode, which is used for flashing fast boot ROMs, among many other things. But today I want to show you how to boot up into recovery mode. Now, the stock recovery mode doesn't offer too much. It will let you do a factory reset for those times when you cannot boot up into Android. It will let you connect to the Mi Assist application, which is I believe they call it the Mi PC Suite program for the computer. But whenever you install a custom recovery, it will actually let you boot up into that custom recovery, which is most likely going to be TWRP. So, to start, we first need to just power off the Redmi Note 6. Now I'm using the Redmi Note 6 Pro. I assume Xiaomi will eventually release other variants of this device, and this process will work for those devices. Now, for a lot of devices, whenever you boot up into a special boot mode, all you have to do is press and hold two buttons. So yesterday, booting into fast boot mode, we just had to press and hold the power and the volume down buttons. Whenever I tried to use that method to boot up into recovery mode, I just kept getting into a boot loop. It would just kept rebooting. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the power and the volume up buttons. And then as soon as you see the logo and you feel that vibrate, you're going to let go of the power button and continue holding the volume up button. All we have to do is just continue holding that volume up button until we have booted into Xiaomi's Mi Recovery, which is currently at version 3 on this device. Now, there is no touch. You can see at the bottom that we need to use the volume up and down buttons to highlight an option. And then we need to use the power button to select the current option that's highlighted. If I wanted to reboot, I would just highlight the reboot option. And then I can either reboot into system, or I can reboot back to the main menu, which would be rebooting back into recovery. If we wanted to do a factory reset, which I'll be showing you guys later, we would just press the volume up and down buttons until the wipe data option is highlighted, press the power button, and then confirm by selecting the wipe data option. And again, as mentioned, the last option here is to connect to the Mi Assistant application. We just click it once, and it's going to tell you to open up the Mi PC Suite program and then connect your device to it. If you end up getting to this menu, just press and hold the power button. That will do a reboot and get us out of the Xiaomi Mi Recovery mode. But it's just going to boot us right back into it, just in case you are stuck in a boot loop or you need to do something else while instead of booting back into Android, maybe you needed to do a reboot and then connect to the Mi PC Suite application again, whatever the case may be. So that's it. That's the quick and easy way of how to boot the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6, the Pro in this instance, into the recovery mode, which can either be stock recovery or it will be the custom recovery like TWRP. And when you're done with this method, at least on the stock recovery, just make sure reboot is selected, press the power button, make sure the reboot to system button is selected, press the power button again. Then that's going to reboot our device again. And this time it's going to go through the typical boot animation sequence. And it will boot us right back into the Android operating system, which in this case is MIUI. And that's it. That is how to boot the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 and the Redmi Note 6 Pro into and out of recovery mode.